To record your screen with OBS Studio in 2026, follow these simple steps. First, open OBS Studio on your computer and make sure it is properly installed. Next, go to the Scenes box and click the plus button to create a new scene. This will be your recording layout. Now go to the Sources box and click the plus button. Select Display Capture if you want to record your entire screen. If you only want to record a specific window, choose Window Capture instead. After selecting, choose your screen or window and click OK. Make sure your audio is working by checking the Audio Mixer section. Your microphone and system sound should be visible and active. Go to Settings, Arrow Output, and choose Recording Quality. For normal use, select High Quality Recording with MP4 format. Check Settings, Arrow Video, and set your resolution and FPS. For smooth recording, 1080p at 30 or 60 FPS is recommended. Once everything is ready, click Start Recording on the right side of OBS Studio. Do your recording normally on your screen. When finished, click Stop Recording. Your video will be saved in the folder set in Settings, Arrow Output, Arrow Recording Path. If OBS is lagging, lower your resolution or close background apps before recording. This is the complete and simple way to record your screen using OBS Studio.